Master the present simple tense by practicing these 50 useful sentences and improve your English speaking skills and listening skills. I love to read books. I love to read books. He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar. She speaks 3 languages fluently. She speaks 3 languages fluently. We live in a small town. We live in a small town. They enjoy watching movies. They enjoy watching movies. The cat sleeps all day. The cat sleeps all day. The dog barks at strangers. The dog barks at strangers. Birds sing in the morning. Birds sing in the morning. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. It rains often in the city. It rains often in the city. He always tells funny jokes. He always tells funny jokes. She dances gracefully. She dances gracefully. They study hard for exams. They study hard for exams. We eat breakfast together every day. We eat breakfast together every day. The flowers bloom in spring. The flowers bloom in spring. The river flows peacefully. The river flows peacefully. The clock ticks loudly. The clock ticks loudly. The children laugh and play. The children laugh and play. He runs every morning. He runs every morning. She paints beautiful pictures. She paints beautiful pictures. They take a walk in the park. They take a walk in the park. We go swimming in the summer. We go swimming in the summer. The train arrives on time. The train arrives on time. It gets cold in the winter. It gets cold in the winter. The stars twinkle at night. The stars twinkle at night. He works in an office. He works in an office. She writes poetry in her free time. She writes poetry in her free time. They watch their favorite TV show. They watch their favorite TV show. We visit our grandparents every weekend. We visit our grandparents every weekend. The computer operates smoothly. The computer operates smoothly. It smells delicious in the kitchen. It smells delicious in the kitchen. The teacher explains the lesson. The teacher explains the lesson. The students listen attentively. The students listen attentively. He lifts weights at the gym. He lifts weights at the gym. She volunteers at a local charity. They practice soccer every afternoon. They practice soccer every afternoon. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. The baby giggles and coos. The baby giggles and coos. It tastes sweet and refreshing. It tastes sweet and refreshing. The car drives fast on the highway. The car drives fast on the highway. He fixes broken bicycles. He fixes broken bicycles. She takes care of stray animals. She takes care of stray animals. They plant trees in the park. They plant trees in the park. We clean the house together. We clean the house together. The chef prepares delicious meals. The chef prepares delicious meals. It feels warm and cozy indoors. It feels warm and cozy indoors. The phone rings constantly. The phone rings constantly. The baby crawls on the floor. The baby crawls on the floor. The company produces high-quality products. The company produces high-quality products. He teaches math to his students. He teaches math to his students.